Hi viewers. So, first of the month and here I pop up. You all must be wondering as to so many videos of mine that you've seen that why is it that this female whenever she has to record something on first of the month and that too from past few months it's all about makeup, she appears quite a plain Jane rather. Well, that's me. और आज खास तौर से it's going at the wee hours of late night and almost skipping being on 1st of April, though it is for the first, because 1st of April I didn't want anybody to have slightest of doubt कि भाई इसमें कुछ तो झूठ बोला है. No bluff, no prank, not making anybody fool. All right. And being as sincere and as truthful I can be, I am here again to show you some of mine products, makeup products. 1st Jan, 1st Feb, 1st March. प्लीज़ आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं ये पुराने 3 videos to come back on track and get in tuned with what's happening regarding makeup. What am I trying to showcase? And again today no tutorial, though I think I promised, no? Well, अगर आपको मेरा पुराना वीडियो याद हो तो उसमें I had talked at length about the very sensitive problematic skin that I have and I have had. Oh, it was so still very sensitive. Over the month I had some workshops, some look test where with the director with in studio thingy where um, my character, the portrayal, the enactment had to be on the ground. So yeah, so all the dirt, grime, dust, floor की सब मुझे लगता है मेरे face पे ही आ गई. And I have few outbursts और कुछ थोड़े बहुत pimples have surfaced because of these blemishes and not so perfect skin today. I'm skipping um, a makeup tutorial on me, which also it had to be a lengthier and a detailed one talking about my base techniques and how I conceal and achieve this no makeup look, which many are awaiting since past few months. आपको कुछ जो makeup tutorials हैं which actually target of promising that they will show you um, a no makeup look, a natural look, a nude look. All three are a little different, but they all three end up quite again being plastic, artificial. It obviously indicates that yes, makeup is on. Well, nude makeup, no makeup look, natural makeup is nothing where you put glitters on your eyelids. Crazy. I actually came across so many makeup videos where the client had approached uh, supposedly let's any salon for the makeup to be done. Poor thing, she had whole lot of acne marks, very bad skin, so she needed concealing. So maybe yes, the base layer became a bit heavier, but उसके बाद जब उसने already आपसे request करी कि मुझे natural makeup चाहिए और बस सुंदर सा बना दो, so try to understand why she's saying सुंदर सा बना दो. She just wants to clear clean skin to begin with. उसको आप लाद देते हो heavy eyelashes and glitter से कि लो लो तुम्हें सुंदर बना दिया, just because to achieve and lure and attract the public जिसके लिए आप ये वीडियो बना रहे हो. What nonsense. That is why I again remind you guys, the 3 makeup channels that I have suggested in my past few makeup related first of every month that I am appearing and talking about, please go check that out. वो तीनों बहुत सुलझे हुए, बहुत सटीक, बहुत कामगर सिद्ध होंगे आपके लिए. एंड recently Nina, in fact, one of them, Nina, she came up with uh, a video in which she had shown how makeup can be applied in just 10 minutes, and that was lovely. That was just about it, what was required. In 10 minutes आप इतना ही कुछ कर पाते. In fact, she did a little more, probably because of होता है ना, experienced, quick hands, techniques, applications. उतने अभ्यासित मैं रोज मेकअप लगाती हूँ almost, but I am yet not. So in 10 minutes I can hardly do anything. So even I'm getting a bit nervous of how will I apply concealer base makeup on myself and show it to you in less number of minutes, where I don't want to do like others do कि बीच में FF कर दिया, टेक्निक सब जल्दी 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 लिख गया. खाना पूर्ति नहीं करनी मुझे. Okay, so to begin with, let's today when it comes to makeup, how important it is to remove the makeup. So thankfully, it's not that I got these flare-ups or bad skin eruptions because of I didn't remove my makeup well. I follow this routine, this regime daily. At least I make sure that I never sleep with my makeup on. I think in lots of months एक कुछ ऐसी मजबूरी थी कि I did sleep for few hours with that makeup on. Next day my skin was ruined. मेरे पे तो बहुत जल्दी असर इस तरह से बुरा प्रभाव पड़ता है और दिख जाता है तुरंत कुछ ना कुछ obvious reaction. But I would suggest, even अगर आपकी सुंदर अच्छी healthy skin है, yet do not take a risk. Never sleep with your makeup on. So I want to show you today how different things are there in the market for different parts of your face जो makeup removers होते हैं. This is baby oil, normal baby oil. I'm not saying कि सिर्फ Johnson Johnson का ही हो, आप किसी और का भी ले सकते हैं. This is very commonly used by the makeup artists here in Mumbai film industry. लेकिन यू नेवर नो, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारी मिलावटें हो रही हैं, तो हाउ प्योर इट इज़, नकली माल, मोर सिंथेटिक, इट कैन जस्ट रूइन योर स्किन. उससे अच्छा ये है, और most of the makeup artists, especially old school, they recommend that if you are getting pure coconut oil, that's the best. So there are special makeup removers for these waterproof makeup. One strict no to remove your makeup, if anybody offers you wet wipes, yeah, baby wipes, thinking that array baby skin, it will be very gentle for my skin, I'll use these wipes. No, you need to understand it. No, these wet wipes or baby gentle wipes, they do not have that lubricant, that solution which actually you can get rid of your makeup with. So no point using them. You're just dropping your skin. It is not any dirt, grime जो निकालना है ना, आप खामखा makeup तो निकलेगा नहीं ना उससे. So apart from my favorite coconut oil, which I got from Kerala, and it helps me remove those thick layers of mascara or eye makeup. But best here it is of Maybelline's a makeup remover, especially for lip and eye. So the content might just be only 40 ml, but yeah, this is Maybelline's lip and eye makeup remover. Apart from this, the market is flooded with lots of makeup removers. Their cost keeps varying, but what is important primarily to read on your makeup remover is that whether it is oil free or not, especially for sensitive skins like me, for oily skin like me, and of course, and very important, that it should be removing waterproof makeup. It will be reading also likewise that it removes waterproof makeup. So this one that I have from Cosmic, the makeup remover, is oil free. So it's alcohol acetic content based, and you need to shake it then before using. And this is quite reasonable. It just costs 255 rupees only for 100 ml. So that's just what else. You also get many of these in the market which specifically says makeup removing wipes. Then it is fine. Nykaa said this, I got makeup remover wipes. Otherwise, personally, I find Kara's makeup removing wipes are the best. And apart from these wipes, we also need to take care of our brushes. So when we covered the wipes, where we covered the oils, be it baby oil or coconut oil, we have separate non oil based makeup removers specifically for waterproof makeups. You need to shake them before using. So when you're shaking them and using, you can always use these kind of cotton pads. You easily get them for removing makeup, or you get those cotton balls. You can use cotton swabs at home, or especially for oil, baby oil or coconut oil, you can use tissue paper, facial tissue papers. Now to take care of your brush, I have this, I use this, and this is being manufactured in Delhi from Essentials. So it reads that it's a brush bath. Well, it promises, and I have used it twice. So I know gentle shampoos also can probably solve that purpose, but just for a longer life of the brush, and all kind of brushes, you just need to dip for a little while in it and just wipe them clean, and it will not due to friction sometimes the brush fiber, the hair get destroyed, so those will be intact. And very good essential scrub brush bath. And this also costs 599 rupees only. So all this is still affordable when it comes to makeup and your skincare. And my bag usually has all this. Today I'm missing those Kara wipes. Yeah. So also a strict no, a mistake which you can avoid is that when you buy, this is Maybelline, but you can buy that of any other company, but if it says specifically that it is a remover for lip and eye, you cannot remove the skin makeup from this. When something is made specifically for something, please do not experiment. No need to spoil your skin. So don't take chances with your skin. I will just suggest. So that's for now. Thank you for watching my other videos all along the month. और आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने डबल रोल के अलावा ट्रिपल रोल भी शेयर किया. And also I shared some message, social message वाले video भी. तो my personal videos apart from character enactment वाले के अलावा, and my personal videos had a lot of dancing videos. Yeah, so all my slice of life also you are witnessing. Please comment and let me know in this month of April. Do comment and let me know, are you enjoying watching my personal videos, or do you enjoy watching the characterization which I do? So my acting videos, more of that. Though in the month of March I kept it a balance. जो मेरे कुछ एक काम के वीडियोस भी मैंने डाले, पोस्ट किए, तो कुछ सक्सेसफुल ऑडिशंस को भी हाईलाइट करके मार्क करके पोस्ट किया. So it was a mix of everything, no? There were so many things which I kept you entertained with. Only thing is, I was shuffling and experimenting, trial and error type was happening, uh, because of which I feel I lost many viewers, because I gained less number of views when I shifted my timing. Like from 5 p.m., I had started posting my videos at 5 a.m. सो एक वो मुझे लगा कि वो 5 p.m. से 5 a.m. फेब्रवरी से ही होने लगा था, तो आई मीन आई एम जस्ट गेसिंग कि not many people could then associate. And also I wasn't being very punctual, uh, because I was very unsure, no, कि ये 5 a.m. पे ठीक हो रहा है कि नहीं. तो I used to try and post him on different timings as well, sometimes very late night, sometimes even at 11 or afternoon timings, 2 p.m. or something. Well, anyways, so now from now onwards I promise to be a little more punctual on the set timing, and let's keep it 12 noon. What's it? So 12 noon my videos will be coming just for you guys, so keep hooked and do comment and let me know, otherwise my own wish will prevail. And like how I had been a little haphazard, without spurts of sometimes three videos in a day, and probably then the next 2 days I am not posting any. We'll not keep that this uneven. So probably if I'm sharing my videos, then I'll keep it alternate days. If I am having character or acting videos, it can happen daily. Let me know, just let me know. Comment, guys. Thank you and bye.